it out for your brother. Accept your mercy and love each other. Now when you feel the pressures of life falling down on you, just be cool, don't make no fight. Here's what you should do. Put your trust in the Most High. He can make your gray skies blue. And here is one good instance why the deeds live up to you. There should be no reason why you would have to shoot down your brother. We should all give love a try. But only the righteous can prosper. Your love can build you up so high, the wicked can't come over. So many evil things they will try, but they just can't cross the border. When frustration makes you mad and you've lost the love you had, when it seems there's no hope inside, God will be there to make you right. When frustration makes you mad, your love will make you mad. When it seems there's no way out, raise your hands and open them up. Na, na, na. Na, 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 na. Now when you feel the pressures of life falling down on you, just be cool, don't make no strife. Here's what you should do. Put your trust in the Most High. He can make your gray skies blue. And here is one good instance why your deeds live up to you. Now there should be no reason why you have to shoot down your brother. We should all Jah Rastafari singing and shouting. Give thanks and praises to the Most High. Jah Rastafari singing and shouting out His name. Now blessed be the Almighty One who guide and protect me in the Babylon, causing my mountains placed in some respect to my items as I tread along. And no man of people would fight me down. Choose your love and His mercies, I'm always around. And all of my days I will sing and shout about His blessing and His love from out my mouth. Give thanks and praises. Now, singing and shouting out His name. Give thanks and praises. Ooh, praising God is not to him. His love and His mercy endure it for me, and only He can set the captives free. My God and my Father, my hope and my King. Oh, His praises I will forever sing. Let giant and high, let the hungry be fed. Give the blind new sight, bring the truth to them. Let all who thirst after righteousness be filled with His goodness and His love. Give thanks and praises. Now, singing and shouting out His name. Give thanks and praises.